What's good, y'all? It's a great day. Welcome to Road to 10K. Today is day 51, and I lost around 300 something dollars today. I'm gonna show y'all the P&L card. Discord link about everything about TikTok about Instagram about. We had a live stream this morning. It was jumping. Appreciate everybody that came out. Shout out to Gloria God. You the man, bro. Shout out JXT. Shout out Rise. Shout out all of y'all, bro. But let me show y'all the trade sinker right here. Hold on, give me 1 second. Alright, cool. Don't mind the bottom one because this is for an eval. I full ported this morning. But these are the only two you need to pay attention to right here, 104 and 193, which isn't bad at all. I 2x my, let me turn this balance off so I don't like looking at my balance at all. Okay, boom. I 2x this account because this one is up around 2.5 and this one is my 25K, which I need to build a little bit more buffer on. It's all good though. This is a very no, I'm not mad at this loss. I'll show y'all everything that happened today and then y'all will see the live video as y'all know. But let's get straight into the trading view. Let's go. Boom. So coming in today, I had a very bullish bias. NQ was looking bullish. We had this new week opening gap up here that we could fill. We also were bouncing off of this 1 hour right here, as you can see, came up, took out this high. But my only concern was this 4 hour. Right, we tapped into this 4 hour, and I believe around market open we sold all the way down to right here. So we took out this liquidity and we came down here. So maybe I'm going to the lower time frame, see if we close past them, which we didn't. 30-minute didn't. We just literally took it out. So that was my only reason of not being bullish, but everything else was screaming bullish, bullish, bullish. We were coming up outside this 4 hour. We had CPI today, which created data highs and data lows, which was this right here, as y'all can see, this this candlestick right here. And I marked it out on NQ as well, which is right here. So cool, right? Bullish, bullish, bullish on the day. So market open happened, and we came down, tapped into this 15-minute gap, swept out this key level right here. NQ, also, we went up actually on NQ. Boom. Then we came down. I thought we inversed that 5-minute, but we didn't. But we did get a 2-minute inversion on the way up. So I did take this 2-minute inversion. This was the play I took for the day. With my break even being that high right here, it was a 5-minute high. My 1-to-1 being here. Alright, cool. Now, as you can see, straight chop, straight chop. And of course the chop had to go down to the floor. But it's all good though. Bias was technically correct. We did end up going up, but just a very bad day for market. NQ was holding ES down. Y'all will see it in the video. But that being said, let me pull up the live stream. Give me 1 second. So you can see after we tapped into the 15-minute gap, we displaced very nicely. Our first candle was a very good close, and the next candle was a little bit better. You know, we got a great close in this trade. I wasn't, just the way market was moving today, I didn't want to risk too much on this trade, so I did go $97 on one account, which would 2x it to the other one, which would make it around 193 as y'all saw at the beginning of the video. But now we're into the trade. Break even being up there, I would expect us to at least take out this high, which could have been a good break even, but this is high resistance liquidity. As you can see, we swept out the high over there. So this is the best break even. It's right above the 15-minute gap. I thought this was going to be a cash money trade. I really didn't believe this was going to be a losing trade until it hit my stop loss. Like, I was so confident this whole time. But with that being said, continue to watch the video, and really just nothing. We're just chopping the whole time. Going back in profit. We have war speaking at 10:30. Which I didn't think was going to affect the markets too much, but boom, this is when we started selling off. We broke out this range, closed past that lowest wick, and this is probably when it started going down. We came back up. We're trying to fight. NQ is not going though. If y'all were in the markets today, y'all can see how NQ was reacting off of, maybe they wanted to get data lows, which we ended up doing. Then we started reversing, so maybe I should have waited, but this is just bad price action in my opinion. We should have been got these data lows, tapped into maybe this high time frame 4 hour. We had a key level below, but that being said, it was just very unlucky. This is probably the 70% hit rate. A day like this where you enter to trade and we get pure chop. Can't really do too much about that, but it is all good. Had my stops at this down here at this 15-minute gap in case we wanted to sweep out this low and continue to go higher, but that was not the case. We got took out, And as you can see, it was pretty annoying. I really wasn't stunning. I really didn't think this trade was going to be bad until it took me out. Literally, when it took me out, it hit me that it wasn't going to work. But simple as that, bro. Tomorrow we back better than ever. I do not care about this loss. I risk managed greatly on this trade. I'm not mad at the trade I took. I was confident in it, and that's all that matters, to be honest. But that being said, it's gonna be in this video. Not too much else to talk about. Tomorrow I will not be live streaming, but I will be coming out with a video. And yeah, TikTok about, Discord about, everything about, and I appreciate all the love and support. Today the live was jumping, and I'm so appreciative for every single one of y'all. Thank y'all so much for coming out, and love.